This is Plotly, the open source graphing library that turns your data into interactive, publication-quality charts with just a few lines of code. With over 59 million monthly downloads across PyPI and NPM, Plotly is the most popular interactive charting library for Python. Every chart is interactive by default. Hover tooltips, zoom, pan, and legend toggles are all built in. No extra configuration is required. Because Plotly uses client-side rendering, every interaction is immediate, making exploratory data analysis fast and fluid. Plotly gives you over 70 chart types in a single library, from basic scatter and bar charts to 3D surfaces, geographic maps, financial candlesticks, Sankey diagrams, and more. Whatever your industry or use case, the chart type you need is already here. The default look is clean and ready to publish, but customizations are always within reach. Change colors, fonts, and layouts using an elegant API that balances depth and developer experience. Charts go wherever your work does. You can embed them in notebooks, AI coding agents, vibe coding tools, browsers, BI software, and other frameworks. Or export them as static images to include in reports and presentations. Wherever you need to put that chart, Plotly's got you covered. Plotly supports Python and JavaScript, covering every major language used in data work. Whether you're in a Jupyter notebook or building a web app, you're using the same library and consistent API. For Python teams, Plotly pairs natively with Dash. Add filters, run live computations, and build fully interactive data applications in a complementary workflow without touching a separate front-end framework. Plotly grows with your use case. You might start with a graphing library in a notebook to build a single chart to understand your data. Then, wrap it in a Dash app and add sophisticated interactivity. When it's time to share it with your team, deploy to Plotly Cloud or Dash Enterprise for built-in authentication, enterprise-grade security, and easy sharing at scale. Plotly is backed by an active open-source community with over 25,000 users in the community forums, solid documentation, and regular updates. You're building on a library trusted by some of the world's largest organizations across finance, healthcare, energy, retail, and manufacturing. So get started today. Run an install in your terminal and have your first chart up in minutes. Visit our documentation and explore chart types, tutorials, and examples. Or reach out to our sales team to learn how to take Plotly even further with Dash Enterprise.